Welcome to my post-shower skincare routine. What I usually like to use when I first get out of the shower is a toner. The Bio Peel green tea. These are really gentle on the skin. As you can see, I pretty much have like none left. It has a scrubby side, and then it just has like a regular toner pad side that's nice and soft. I like to bring it down my neck. Anything I do on my face, I do on my neck and my chest. Then I like to go in to my essence. If you don't know what an essence is, it's a product that makes your skincare products go deep inside the skin and make them work even more than what they already do. Rub it through my hands and then put it all over my face. Usually with my skincare products, I like to press up. Always bring this down my neck and chest as well. This is the Creamy Avocado Eye Treatment. It's super hydrating, and the littlest bit goes such a long way. And I put this literally all over the entire eye area, from my brow bone all the way down. And I tap. You don't ever want to wipe or swipe around the eye area because the skin around your eye is very delicate. This is from Drunk Elephant. It's the TLC Framboos Glycolic Night Serum. So I just take a little bit of that, rub it between my fingers. This is the Algenist Genius Liquid Collagen. It's just one of the little point perks from Sephora. As you age, your skin loses its collagen. So whenever you have a chance to put collagen on your face, totally recommend it. If I do want more hydration, I love this Boscia Tabuki beauty oil. This is my favorite beauty oil to use. It's a lighter consistency, it soaks right into the skin. This is just the Tarte Drink of H2O moisturizer. I love taking care of the lips because I like them to be plump. First thing I like to go into is from Murad. This is a rapid collagen infusion for lips. Peter Thomas Roth Unwrinkle Lip Treatment. My favorite nighttime lip mask. This is the Laneige Special Care Lip Sleeping Mask. It's so good. And that is everything I do when I get out of the shower.